Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVSI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, some updates definitely need to be made. Another very solid move. First thing I'm going to do is actually just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant anymore. And from the presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going forward, right around 208 would be the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Well, ideally, yeah, staying above 208 would do that. With that being said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below 208, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period moving average, keyword being moving. So as time now begins to go on, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there I'm defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 208 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is up above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Well, nothing new here to report. Just confirmation would be more of an accurate term. Talked about $2.30 in Tuesday's video. And surprise, surprise, the power of charts did a great job of forecasting that. So like I said, from that point of view, nothing new to talk about. $2.30 is still public enemy number one going forward from that resistance point of view. But all in all, the nice movement from Tuesday continues. So the question remains the same. Just can the price continue to build upon this momentum? Let's see what happens, but still 2 days left this week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.